in with another video for these guys. Alright. In today's video, I'm going to El Paso in Central Falls, another Mexican place. Somebody at work told me that it's a good place to go to. They got really good, I don't know how you say it, birria tacos or birria meat. I guess that's how you say it, but yeah, she told me that it's really good, so I'm going to check it out. I thought I was going to have some people coming with me today, but they don't like being on camera, so got to do it by myself. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get there. I didn't even feel like coming out the house today. It is cold. Another cold ass Friday. But I just got out the house. It's 2:36. And I'm headed to the spot right now to see what this place is all about. I'll turn these guys back on when I get there. I'm in downtown Pawtucket right now. Still on my way to El Paso and Central Falls. If you don't know Pawtucket, this is Pawtucket. It says Broad Street is straight ahead, so that's good. That's the street I'm looking for. I forgot the address already. I just asked Google for it. I forgot it already, but it's on that street somewhere. We'll find it. Alright, I finally made it to the spot. I'm gonna go in here. I'm probably gonna grab like I said, I don't know how to say it, birria tacos, and I'm gonna grab a steak burrito. So let me go in here and get that, and I'll be right back. Alright, I just ordered the food. I ordered one. The guy told me what it is. It's birria. That's what they call it. That's how you pronounce it. Birria. I ordered one regular birria taco and one with shrimp. And I ordered steak burrito. It came out to, what was it, $20.51. The address is right there. El Paso Restaurant. 1252 Broad Street, Central Falls, Rhode Island. The number's right there. So he told me it's gonna take like 15 minutes. So I'm just sitting here waiting for it to get done. And either when I get back in the car or when I get to the spot that I'm gonna eat this at, I'll bring these guys back. All right, I just pulled up to the spot where I'm gonna eat at. I came here a couple times to go fishing. A lot of fishing stories, huh? A lot of fishing stories, and I ain't catch nothing big. That's why I stopped fishing. But I got the food. My car smells amazing right now. I found out what the name of the green sauce is too. He said salsa verde. I like that. The green one. Especially on my burritos. I got a fork and a knife wrapped up in a napkin. See what's in here. Those are my, I forgot how to say it already. Birria tacos, one with shrimp and one without. Let me grab the phone and make it show you a little better. Smells so good. Might as well show you the burrito too. Extra napkins, it's a plus. Got chips in there. Open this burrito up and show you. Steak burrito. I'll show you the inside. Look at all that steak. Looks great. Can you see? But we'll wrap that back up. I'll probably eat that. I'm gonna take a couple bites right now, but I'm gonna eat that later. I don't know, it depends on if I'm full or not. Let's get to these tacos. Alright, so I guess this is the one. I don't know, because the shrimp's on the side. Yeah, the other one has shrimp in it. Alright. Yeah, at least she was right. The girl at my job. These are way better than the other ones I have. I'm not going to tell you where I had them at, but these are way better. Way better. Meat is just right. Everything. Still hot, even though I had to take that little ride to get to the spot where I'm at right now. They changed this around a lot too. Everywhere I'm going, they changed around. They're changing everything. But that was the regular one. Let's taste the shrimp by itself. Right. You know I don't like this. Get this out of here. I don't want to throw it out the door because these seagulls are going crazy over here. Out of here. Oh god, there's more. But let me try this one with the shrimp on it. I'm not even showing you guys what I'm doing over here. It's kind of hard. The angle. I'm gonna put the shrimp in there. It's already, but I'm gonna put the ones on the side back in there. So just fell back out. But this is way better than that other spot I had these at. And that's the only time I ever had them was at that other spot. I might as well crack open that burrito while I'm doing this food review. This cat's playing on the other side of the water. I'll show you guys around real quick. Parking lot's over there. Seagulls over there fishing. Ducks. And all that's new. They're building, I guess, I don't know how to say that, but I guess they're building a warehouse or something over there. Let's get back to this burrito. What's that fork at? Why is this so hot? Put some salsa verde in there. I eat a lot of Mexican food. This is good too. I love salsa verde on my burritos. Damn, how am I supposed to do this now? I can't even pick it up. There's just so much meat, and this thing is so heavy. Try it. Everything is great. It's a good thing they did kick in those extra napkins because they're nice and thick too. You need them. I used to tell me I had green stuff in my teeth. What's that, cilantro? Whatever it is. It's not there no more. But, thumbs up to El Paso and Central Falls. $20, a little bit, 20 and some change. A great meal. You get two I'm not even gonna say it no more. You get 2 tacos and a big ass burrito like this. It's a good deal. This thing is heavy, man. But like I said, I'm probably gonna save this. I'm gonna take another bite, save this for later. This is so heavy, man. Look at. Let me cut it. rice and meat. It's crazy. I take one more bite of this. It's so good. Just right. So, go check them out. If you're in Central Falls or you want some good tacos and burritos, go check them out in Central Falls. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna get out the car and record the area real quick for you guys. Then I'm out of here. Down there, quick story. Down there, way down there, you can't even see it. But and back at Apex, there was there still is. The old Apex, there's a big wall that is right near the water, and we used to go fishing over there with one of my old friend's father. I remember one time we was fishing. He was snagging, I don't know what kind of fish it was, snagging something, and I caught a turtle. And the wall is so high, it was crazy. Like, I'm trying to reel in the turtle to get it off my line, and it ended up breaking the reel off of my rod. It was crazy, but that was a long time ago. I remember that. It's that Rhode Island dirty water right here. I think this is down there is the waterfall, and it's fresh water, and then it turns into salt water. This wasn't here last time I came here. These rocks, I don't remember that. Like I said, the parking's over there. This is like handicap. This is what they're building, I guess. It's a lot of seagulls out here. It's like baby seagulls, little seagulls. Yeah, I heard a lot of stories about people pulling big stripers out of here. A lot of stories. See, nobody's out here fishing today. It's too cold for that. Over there is, I don't know what they call it, but it's another place to park, and people go fishing over there. Look, that bird just had a fish in his mouth. They're like little seagulls, but they are catching fish out here. But yeah, that's about it for this food review. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, till the next video. I'm out of here. Woo! It's cold out there. Oh my God, that quick couple of minutes making that video. Yeah, it's cold out there.